For rapid input, it can be a good idea to create a drop-down list. Do you want to classify data? In this case, you will find it very handy to use the sort function. These are the topics we will cover in this clip. For this example, we will use Excel 2010. You will notice that although spreadsheets do not all look the same, the programs are all fairly similar. You can use a drop-down list to create a new list, input data quickly, and limit certain entries. Let's specify from the outset that the term data refers to all information included in a spreadsheet. Now, let's see how to create a drop-down list. First, you have to enter every item on the list in the worksheet. The list can be on the same sheet or on another sheet. Then you click on the cell of your choice and find in the Data tab the Data Tools group. Click on the Data Validation button. In the Options tab, you have to set the validation criteria. Do this by clicking on the Allow drop-down menu to specify the criteria, in this case, List. Check the Ignore Blank and In Cell drop-down boxes if required. Specify the source by clicking on the icon to the right of the appropriate field. Then select all the items in the list and click again on the icon to the right of the field. Then you can add information about the list by clicking on the Input Message tab. There you can specify when the message should be displayed, add a title, and write the input message. The Error Alert tab provides information related to error messages, if there are any. To add the drop-down list, just click on OK. And that's it. You have succeeded. Remember that you can copy the drop-down list to any cell in the column. Just place your cursor at the bottom right of the cell so it becomes a thin black cross, and then left-click and hold down the button, sliding the cursor to the bottom of the column. There you go. You have copied the drop-down menu. Now, to select a price from the list, just click on the drop-down menu and select the appropriate price. Now let's look at how to use data sorting, which lets you quickly view, organize, and search for specific data. To begin, select one of the cells from the column you want to sort, go to the Data tab, find the Sort and Filter group, and click on the Filter button. A drop-down arrow appears in the column header. Just click on the arrow and select Sort Smallest to Largest to put the smallest values at the top of the column, or Sort Largest to Smallest in the drop-down arrow menu for the highest values to be at the top of the column. You can also sort data using several other criteria. Click on the Sort button. The Sort window appears. This window lets you sort data by column. Use the Sort By drop-down menu and click on the column header of your choice. Then specify more criteria using Sort On to select the following criteria. Finally, set the order by specifying the criteria on the corresponding drop-down menus. Once all the criteria are established, just click on OK. And that's it. You're all done. Now you know how to create new lists for rapid data entry and to sort and classify information. You're sure to find ways to put this new skill to good use.